Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just hanging out here on the bed, just chilling, and I have a Tory Burch reveal and an unboxing. If you want to see what I got, stick around. Okay guys, I have just been hanging out here at home like I have been for the past month. And I last week felt like I could use a little pick-me-up, and what better way than to do a little bit of online shopping. So that's what I did, and I came across the best deal. I think the sale is over, but I will look for you guys. But it's Tory Burch, and I wanted to do an unboxing, but I just couldn't wait, you guys. So this is not only my reveal, but also my bag of the week. And it is the Tory Burch Fleming, the Soft Fleming convertible bag in the most fabulous color. I've carried it all week. It holds everything that I need for it to hold. And I believe this is probably, I'm not 100% sure, but I will put it in the description box. I believe this is the medium size, but look at that beautiful beige color. And the first time I saw this bag, I instantly thought it reminds me of the Chanel 19 at a much better price. It is just so beautiful, and I came across this bag and it was 40% off. So it normally retails, I think, for around $5.28, and I got it for about, I guess, maybe with tax and everything, about $3.50. And I just love it. So I'm gonna show you guys what fits inside as soon as I do my unboxing. So I have an unboxing. I'm super excited about this. Is there anything more fun than an unboxing? And this is a true unboxing. Oh, I don't need to show my address. I don't need some psycho stalking me. But I'm really excited about this. Let's get into this box. Okay, I have some scissors here, and I'm not afraid to use them. So I'm really excited about this, you guys. It's something that I actually needed. Normally I'll tell Keith, I really need that, and he'll say, want. But it's something I actually needed, and I'll explain here in just a second why I needed it. I love to unbox. I'm always talking about channels who unbox constantly. And if I were a gazillionaire, I probably would do the same thing. Okay, so here it is. It is, of course, Tory Burch. All the stuff that's inside the box. The beautiful Tory Burch packaging. It's just a small wallet. You guys know that I had the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. I sold it. I love that wallet. I really do. And I would consider getting another Victorine wallet maybe at some point, but I sold it, and really all I have is the Louis Vuitton zippy wallet, and I don't really use a big wallet very much anymore. I didn't feel like spending $500 on a Louis Vuitton wallet, so I thought this was so cute. Is this the Kyra wallet? Let me look. I really like it. I love the red color. Yes, it's the Kyra Chevron Bifold wallet. I think normally it's around $178, and I got it for $99. And let me pull this sticker off. When we were in San Francisco shopping in Louis Vuitton, I had a small Louis Vuitton zippy wallet, and I was just gonna get it, like my large one. But I don't know, you guys, I do love SLGs. I'm not a collector of them. I just buy what I need. So I don't know. I have a really hard time spending $500–600 on a wallet. I think this is absolutely beautiful. It smells so divine. I thought about getting the same color to match this bag, but I like this red. I think red goes with everything. So these are my two new goodies from Tory Burch. You guys know that I'm a huge Tory Burch girl. It's my favorite contemporary brand. I know that Coach is all the rage right now, but I'm more of a Tory Burch girl. I like the styles. I mean, I like Coach, but I don't know. For some reason, I just favor Tory Burch. But okay, so it's got this snap. So unsnap it. I'm just gonna pull this paper out so I can show you guys the details of this wallet. All right, so when you unsnap the wallet, it has these card holder area for 1, 2, 3 cards. And of course you could put more back there. It's a trifold. Let me pull that paper out. So you can put your bills in there without having to fold them up. Beautiful. Over here is, oh wow. So you actually have all this area for cards. I love this wallet. I really didn't realize that it had so many card slots. I love that. So you have a zippy area here for coins. And you guys, this is actually, it functions because, you know, so many of the Louis Vuitton wallets, my Victorine wallet, I never put coins in there because it was so tiny. Look at that. Look at that. So I could use that and put coins in it. Now I do have my round coin purse, but this is a functionable coin purse with this wallet. So, wow, this is a lot of bang for the buck. I love this wallet. I'm so excited. So it just zips here and snaps. And that's the Kyra Chevron Bifold wallet. I believe it comes in a black. It comes in the same color as my Fleming soft convertible bag. I'm not sure what other colors it comes in, but I know it comes in black and the beige color. So that's beautiful. Look at that beautiful Tory Burch logo. You know, I know it's a contemporary brand, but Tory Burch is quite pricey. And for me, Tory Burch is luxury. So I think this is a lot of bang for the buck. So I don't know. I just wasn't feeling spending so much money on a small wallet. I'm really happy with this buy. Like I told you guys, this bag is new. I don't think it's on sale right now, and it wasn't on sale other places. And normally I just buy my Tory Burch on torybirch.com or in the boutique because they keep up with your spending and they will send you like $100 cards or $50 cards if you hit a certain amount. So last year I had several cards to spend, or gift cards. Because I found it 40% off and it wasn't on sale anywhere else, I did go ahead and buy it. But I highly suggest that if you love this bag, and they also have a beautiful straw version, and there's a gorgeous blue one, you guys. But if you love this bag, you are considering getting it, just keep watching because Tory Burch, they put on so many sales throughout the year, and I think it would be worth the wait. But I want to show you all the stuff I have in this bag and what fits inside. So the opening, it reminds me of my Gucci Marmont. It has this little button under here, and you just push it just like my Gucci Marmont and open it like that. See that little button? Look at the beautiful quilting. I mean, it just really did remind me of that Chanel 19. You know, you guys heard me talk about that I wanted a jumbo. I don't want a jumbo anymore. But so many YouTubers say, oh, don't buy the Chanel 19. You know, it's not a classic, but it appeals to me. But when I saw this, I thought, wow, okay. Even at full price, what, close to $600 versus, I don't know, $5,500, $6,000. I don't know how much the Chanel 19 bag is, but I just love this. So you open it up like this, and it kind of has this little folded in area. So I have all my stuff in it. I have been using this bag for the past week. So it's about time to change out, but of course I'm not going anywhere. I did go to the bank today. That's about the only place I go. So what is in this bag? All right. It has, first of all, it has this big pocket right in the front, big and roomy. Then it has this huge section. It has a middle section that zips that I absolutely love. You can fit your whole hand in there. I'm not gonna put this bag on my head, don't worry you guys. I heard a lot of people are really worried about my mental health, but seriously, I'm okay, I'm on my medication. So, and then it has this other back and another zip pocket back here. So I'm gonna take everything out and show you what fits inside this bag. I angled the camera down, so I think it'd be easier to do it like this so I can show you guys what is in this bag. So I will open it like I do my Gucci Marmont with that little button. Open it up. It's pretty full. I've carried it all week long. It's one of those bags that's hard to put away. Okay, so in the front pocket, I just have some gum. And it's a very roomy front pocket. I have my Toiletry 19 that I use every single day. It replaced my, did I say Toiletry 19? My Toiletry 15. It replaced my 19. I still have the 19, but this 15 is great. It's great. It doesn't take up too much space. I have a hair pick, and I have some hand cream. So see how big and roomy this front part is? And the thing about this bag is, it's not terribly big in size, but it holds a lot of stuff. Everything you need and more. Okay, so in the middle part, I'm not sure what's in there. Let's see. Okay, in the middle part, you guys, here is what I've been using for a wallet. In this zippy middle part, I have been using these two SLGs. I have my insurance card in here. I have credit cards, some cash in here, my bank card, my Louis Vuitton SA's card. Yeah, another credit card. So this is what I've been using for my wallet. So now I have this. Okay, so this was in the middle part, and I love that because it adds, you know, security. Being able to put your wallet in the middle part and zip it up. Of course, I never zip it up, but if you want to. All right, so I have my iPhone 10. I have my very large case, my Celine Sunnies, you guys, that I got in San Francisco, the ones like Kim K has. I'm just gonna put them on for you, you guys. Oh yeah, love them. Love these so much. I wanted the black ones, and my husband talked me into getting the tortoise shell, and I think I'm gonna get the black ones. Maybe sometime this summer, but I love these, you guys. All right, so this case is pretty big. I just had this stuffed on top, back here in the back part. All right, and I have my little Daisy Rose dupe coin purse. Oh no, okay, I've got some Tums in there. I've got some change. Oh, there are my insurance cards because they wouldn't fit in the Louis Vuitton clay. Look, this is what I'm saying, you guys. I love the size of this. I love this, but I really love the size of this. I wish Louis Vuitton would come out with a little bigger one, but I mean, because you can put more stuff in it. So I use both of these. So I have that. I have my Louis Vuitton round coin purse in the back. Oh, and my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. And then, okay, here's that back part that zips. A very large back wallet, or rather, a very large back pocket. Nothing was in there. I mean, look at all these compartments. We've got this front one. We've got this one. You've got this zippy, you've got this, and a big zippy back pocket. The only thing this bag doesn't have that you guys know I love is a back pocket, but that's just me. If I were a handbag designer, I would put back pockets on every handbag that I designed. But it, like I said, everything that I need, everything I need fits in this bag. All this stuff. All this stuff and more. I mean, this is a very roomy and functionable bag. Functionable. Is that the right word? Functionable. I don't know. Anyway, you guys get my drift, but you can put so much in it. So if you are attracted to the Chanel 19 bag like I am, but you don't want to shell out that kind of money, here you go. The black one is gorgeous, and I'm gonna tell you guys, there's a green, like a Kelly green, and there is a beautiful sky blue. when they go back on sale, I just might buy one of those. I just thought, you know, when I ordered this one, I was like, whoa, why did I not get that green one? But I know that I would use this more. I'm more of a black, neutral kind of person. Like, I'm really boring and dull. But, you know, for that kind of price, especially on sale, I would absolutely love to have either the blue one or the green one. So you guys check them out. Okay, so now I am going to do some modeling shots, you guys. I'm 5'3". Let you see what it looks like on me. Okay, so a few modeling shots. Isn't it pretty? So this is my Tory Burch Soft Convertible Fleming bag. It's new, it's gorgeous, it's fabulous. You guys need one. Okay guys, so these are my 2 new goodies. I'm absolutely thrilled with them, love them, and my first impression on this bag is, wow, it's fabulous. It's worth every penny. Love this wallet. It's really soft. I love the fact that you can actually put change in it. So these are my 2 new goodies. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.